The new Agentis combination oil boiler from Warmflow, a new level of efficiency. Currently, the UK and Ireland's only manufactured AA rated oil boiler, the Warmflow Agentis is up to 30% more efficient at hot water heating than other leading combi oil boilers on the market today. This is achieved through a unique patented design which results in homeowners saving up to 5 litres of fuel per week. The new Agentis combination series is available in outputs ranging from 15 to 33 kilowatt and in both internal and external models to suit all applications. At 515 millimeters wide, the Agentis internal model is the slimmest on the market, ensuring it can be easily retrofitted into confined spaces. External models have a weatherproof, maintenance-free casing rated to IP45. The Agentis combination oil boiler uses industry-leading, proven technology. These components include the latest Riello low NOx emissions burner technology and the new Grundfos UPM3 flex modulating pump. All Agentis models include an enhanced factory-fitted 24-litre expansion vessel. This is connected to the boiler through a hinged system, allowing easy access for servicing while also accommodating for any large system requirements. A number of components have been included as standard to protect the system. A domestic cold inlet water shutoff valve, as well as a strainer and flow regulator are included on all models to aid in a fast and reliable installation. To protect the appliance from excessive mains water pressure fluctuations, a pressure-reducing valve and hot water mini expansion vessel have also been fitted. The wiring system has also been re-engineered and now features a top-mounted wiring centre with a simplified wiring harness and connection. This makes the provision of power to the appliance easier. A new backlit LCD user interface is home to a 2-channel and 7-day programmer and provides easy access for homeowners and installers to boiler diagnostics. Accessible plumbing connections make the boiler one of the easiest units on the market to install. For more information, please visit www.warmflow.co.uk or speak to your local sales manager.